In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a limit order in MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside the platform, you want to first find whatever you want to trade. So I'm going to go into crypto over here, and I'm just going to select the basic Bitcoin USD over here. And then what you have to do is click on this advanced order button down here at the bottom left of this box that pops up. And here you can see up top it says pending and market. So to actually place a limit order, you want to click on the pending button, and this will basically allow you to create a new pending or limit order. And then here you can of course select your volume, that's up to you. And here is where you can set your limit price. So let's say I'm gonna basically up my price to, let's just basically change this to 8 over here. There we go. And then you can also set stop losses, take profits if you want to. And then down here you can see your summary, and then you can go ahead and either buy limit or sell stop. Okay, so I'm going to buy limit over here, and that's pretty much it. I've successfully created my pending limit order. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.